Welcome to the Crypto Andrew. Welcome to a new all-time high on Bitcoin. If you guys are new, appreciate it if you hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and that way you also get notifications every time I post a video or go live. So this video, just like I did a few days ago, we're going through my entire watch list. We're going to go find the next hot coins of what we should buy. I did it with XRP. Right now, this XRP trade is almost at my TP of the measure move at 63 cents. Altcoins that I think could run way past their measure moves. Most altcoins, I'm not going to have a take profit. I'm going to leave my stop loss at the 200-day smooth moving average, and then slowly, it basically is a trailing stop. You just have to manually adjust where your stop loss is. But with XRP, it's like a pump and dump coin. It keeps going up to from 40 cents to 60 cents, and then it goes back down. So overall, XRP is like an outlier where I will have a take profit because I don't believe it's just going to go straight up like all other altcoins will, but I do think it will hit $1 this run. So with that being said, let's look at these coins. I'm going to try to make it shorter. My last video was almost a half hour long. I did not realize it was that long, which is fine, but I don't think anyone watches that long. So if you guys want to join the trading group where I post Bitcoin updates every single day throughout the day, and I also do give you altcoin updates when the market is bullish or bearish. I can give you shorts too, but if it's just choppy, I just do Bitcoin. But link to join is in the description below. I know it's worth a hell of a lot more than $30 a month because if you take all my calls, you will be profitable. So, not financial advice. I'm just telling you how it is. So let's go look at so Bitcoin dominance. Right now, let me get the stock RSI back up here. So Bitcoin dominance is topped out on the 5-hour time frame, meaning I think short-term altcoins can run. Auction is my next one that I'm really looking to buy. I know I said this a few days ago. I did enter auction a few days ago at $14.10 and then or $14.13, and my stop right here, I got stopped out for like an $8 loss, whatever, that's nothing. But right now I see it still turning bullish. You're a little bit further away, so I think right now your stop loss could still be $14, and that's not that bad of a trade setup, in my humble opinion. It's kind of far away because it is $14.80, but auction looks good to me. The stock RSI is oversold. Money flow is a little extended, but I will let my trading group know if I enter that trade. I will not enter that trade, though, until I sell XRP. Liquidity is another one that's too far away from the moving averages, but technically by the 5-hour time frame, it is bullish. YFI has already had its run. You can see it's really far from the 200-day smooth moving average. Bonk about to hit the measure move up to 2.9. So again, that's already taken off. I'm not chasing. Why would I chase? I don't need to chase. Ethereum, this is going parabolic. Stock RSI just made a higher low. Measure move is $4,100 nearly. I am in this trade on 10x leverage from 30.20, and I'm up very nicely on this trade. My stop loss is brought back to break even. Actually, technically, my stop loss is down here, but I have my stop loss at break even. And then when this yellow line curves up, I'll move it up accordingly. Right now, we're still a little bit ways away. Ethereum, Bitcoin. I mean, you could trade this, but overall, this is saying that yes, you're below the 200-day smooth moving average on Ethereum, Bitcoin. But this is saying that Ethereum, if this breaks out, Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, and that's crazy because Bitcoin is up almost 10% today. That means Ethereum, technically speaking, should be up a little bit more if this broke to the upside. Drift, this has already rained like crazy. I see that as a bull pivot. Probably going to continue to the upside, but for right now, I'm not chasing this because it's so far away. So I would really not. There's better trades out there. Grass, that has already taken off, but I will say that there's not enough data on the 5-hour time frame to show where the moving average is. I like that's above the 21. If you look at the smaller time frames, that's a trade setup, but I'm just looking for trade setups on the 5-hour time frame right now. XCN looks bullish, but again, that's too far away. It's sitting at 16. Your stop loss for my trading strategy, at least on the time frame I'm trading on, would have to be at 13.5. My phone is going to piss me off because it keeps blowing up. Anyways, Tesla, I'm up nicely on this one. Right now, it's high-risk trade. You have resistance at 350. I got into this trade at 225. I let my trading group know that as well. So with that being said, that looks good. Tesla still looks good to me right now if you break 350. Turbo, having a nice run. I think I talked about that one going up. Dogs Crypto, it's a scam in my opinion, but, you know, so right now the moving average is all the way up there at 12. So to me, Dogs is bearish still. MOG right now, MOG looks okay. MOG looks pretty bullish, but again, your stop loss should be 16.5. You're at 20. If you use any kind of leverage, that's not worth the risk. I want stop losses within 1% price action. That way, if I use 10x leverage, 5x leverage, my stop loss can be within 5%. So I lose 5 to 10% if I get stopped out, but if I win hundreds of percents. That's usually how it goes, especially in a bull run. So Popcat, Sui is another one that just hit the measure move. Now I have a smaller measure move up to $3.50. That is likely to continue to run to the upside, but again, I'm not chasing Sui right now. These are kind of getting extended. Atom right now. Atom is probably the next one to turn bullish. Yeah, I guess it is bullish. Yet still, your stop would be 472. You're at 570. To me, that's extended. Dogecoin right now. What I would look for on Atom is get oversold on the stock RSI. If you can get oversold on the stock RSI, and then come back down to $5, then maybe I could be interested in a long on that. So I'm watching that one. Dogecoin just going parabolic. I gave you the trade the other day. I said 30 cents was resistance. That's likely the next measure move. And I had a measure move to 26 cents. You blew past that. And now that you're above 30, you're going up to 35 cents. If you break 35 cents, you're probably going to basically all-time highs on Dogecoin. Because I don't think Dogecoin's trade above 35 cents for very long. CVC right now, the price is 14. You're above the 200-day smooth moving average. Stop loss could be 1267. That's borderline of too far away from the moving average for me to want to chase that. Egen, so this would be one that I would watch. I'm going to write this one down because you just printed the 200-day smooth moving average on the 5-hour time frame, which is sitting at $3.24, and you are about to cross that. I want to see an entire candle close above it without touching that yellow line. So I will delete this one from my watch list and re-add it to my watch list. That way it goes to the bottom of my watch list, and then I can pay more attention to it. Bitcoin dominance, I don't care about that right now. Oh, crap. I lost where I was at. Okay, CVC, DOP1. DOP1 is bearish right now. Maker token right now that's a bull pennant. That's likely to pump to the upside. I'm not going to take the... Oh, wait! I might take this trade on Maker as well. So far, I gave you 2 coins that I think are safe trades, not financial advice, and neither of these 2 trades I'm giving you right now are buys yet, but they're about to be. Maker could go up to that resistance at 2075. That gets you right to that resistance. See how that measure move goes right to that resistance that I already had drawn. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, Maker's probably one to watch. Again, I'll delete that from here and add it to my watch list at the bottom. So Maker and Eigen coin, EIGEN, are coins that later today or tomorrow are likely to be buys if we keep going to the upside in these. So we got 2 coins so far that looks good to me. So, oh crap, now I gotta go back up here again and find my spot. Every time I react to the bottom of the watch list, it goes down, which I don't like. So what were we at? DOP1. So Nero is the next one, too far away. Ben... Here you go, Ben Dog. This is the next one that's probably bullish. I'm not going to add it to... Well, I will add to the bottom of my watch list. What's the coin above it? ULTI? Okay.
I'll send to the crew. You think they're right,
ULTI was the next one that we need to go look at. If I can find where that was at. Okay. Yup, bearish to me. RPL right now, bullish. Here's another one you should look at. RPL. RPL. So right now, this last wick here on the 333-minute time frame is not touching that line. If you get a move down to 1141, that'd be touching it and you wouldn't want to enter the trade. But right now, if you do not hit 1141, this is a buy in an hour 27 minutes. So the trade coin above it is chess. I'll remember that. I'll add this to my bottom of my watch list. And now we scroll back up to chess. So at the end of this video, if I can find where chess is at. Oh, crap. Okay, here we go. Chess. Chess is already too far away. Game. That's probably too far away. NUL. And UL, I did not think I was going to see this many that are bullish, but I am seeing a lot of coins that are bullish right now. The one above that is LOK. Okay? It's a very simple strategy that I have. It's a very simple strategy in a bull market. It's extremely profitable. LOK, where's LOK? Did I pass it? I feel like I passed it. God dang it. Okay. So, LOK. This is another one. So right now you're sitting at 20.8. Your stop loss will be 1935. That's kind of too far away for me. You're sitting at almost 21. Your stop loss would have to be 19.3. There's better setups out there than this one. I should have seen this the other day. Then it would have been a buy. Literally, if you bought this This would have been the first candle you could have bought, and that would have been the 10th. So yesterday around 5 p.m. So not even a day ago, but to me now it's just too far away. Volksel looks bullish to me. Right now you're sitting at 17.3. Your stop loss would have to be 15. That is definitely too far away for me. This one, you haven't even confirmed it's a buy yet, but it is, so you're sitting at 953 and your stop loss would have to be 817. That's already too far away, and so it hasn't even confirmed a buy candle yet. So to me, not yet. Rare, I gotta pump through these really quickly. So that right now is sitting at 13.6. Your stop loss would have to be 12.2. Yeah, again, too far away. Everything's just going parabolic, so if it does confirm it's bullish, it could rip. Velo is in a bull pennant. You have a measure move to 13, but again, you're too far away from that moving average. Technically speaking, by the books, you could definitely have a stop loss at 9.5. If you lose 9.5, you are probably coming back down here, but I'm trying to keep my strategy simple, and there's so many opportunities you don't need to. This is a lot more coins that are bullish today than just the other day even. So right now, you, in an hour and 24 minutes, you can confirm this as bullish. Your stop loss will be 3.2. I like this one a lot. I'm going to add this to my watch list. VIDT. Above it is Rary Coin. All right, now we got to scroll back to the top. That was easy to find. Rary is bearish right now. I mean, it's something to watch, but it looks like it's continuing to the downside. If you don't lose a level of 175, I would say it's bullish, but Rary is something to have on the radar. APRA coin, right now, bullish. Numer, but again, too far away from the stop loss, where your stop loss would be. FIDA coin, right now, that could become bullish here. It's something I'd have on my watch list. I'll add a checkmiss, a star next to it, so I pay more attention to it. Alice, DAR, that is technically bullish. This is one I had starred from the other day. Your stop loss would be 15.2, and you'd be in the money again, too far away from me right now. If it's more than 5% in real price action, that's just too far away. MNDE does not meet my criteria. SD does not meet my criteria. GAL does not meet my criteria. TVK would meet my criteria, but now you're probably too far away. What are you at? 10.76. Your stop loss would have to be 9.6. Hopper is going to be too far away. If we go up to Phantom coin, Phantom is running. What are we sitting at on Bitcoin? 87,000. LRD right now. That is just gone. TNSR, Blast. Blast is one that's probably going to rip here. Oversold on that looks really good to me. I'm going to add this to my watch list as well. Crap, I didn't see what coin was above Blast. I think it was SD. Gala, TVK. Maybe I went through these already. Phantom, yeah, I did. Sui was the next one. TNSR, I think I looked at that. WooCoin. What was this one? Look at this one. This looks bullish to me too. Your stop loss would be 2.7, and although the RSI, that still looks good to me for an entry. 2.7 would be your stop loss. I would wait for the stock RSI to reset, but overall, this is one that I would add to the watch list as well. There's just so many to watch out for now that everything's popping off. It was above Phantom. So Woo was the next one. I see Woo in a rising wedge right here with the measure move up to 31 cents if it breaks out parabolically. You got BCH, which I think hit the measure move. Yeah, you just hit it on BCH. AMP token, I do hold this long term. Unfortunately, it's not much, but I have some long term, and I hate it. I want out. I do, but I'm down like still 30%. It's a freaking night. It's awful. Boom right now, bad. Solana is definitely bullish. Solana is about to hit the measure move up to 225. Jasmine right now, that's just ripping. If you break 224, your next resistance is 265. Orca right now, these are all too far away from my moving averages. We have a lot that we need to go back over. So, okay. Wow, was it really this many? So, IGN, that's definitely a buy if you can stay above 323. Maker is a buy. Bendog is a buy above this level. All three of those you need to wait, though. This is technically a buy in an hour 20, so that's even a wait. And NUL is also a buy in an hour 21. Two of them could be buys in less than 2 hours, and the other four, or the other three, whatever it was, are going to be buys probably, not this candle, but it'd be the next one at the earliest. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of them you have to wait probably several hours on, or maybe even to tomorrow. But 2 of them you might be able to buy within an hour and a half. That's what's going on in crypto. The market's pumping. I'm going to put money into all 5 or 6 of them. If it confirms it's bullish to me, I'll let you guys know if I enter those trades on Discord. I'll probably also make a YouTube video about it. But if you want to know really fast, join my Discord. That is free information. Those are coins that are likely to go to the upside. Not financial advice, but they all look very bullish to me. That's a video. I'll do this every single week. Even if no one watches, making videos about this motivates me to go through all the watch lists. And maybe it helps you guys, but it motivates me. And even if 2 people watch it, at least I went through it. And it's a motivation. You guys can keep me accountable for going through them every week, because when I go through them, it gave me the XRP trade. Now I didn't have much money in that. My take profit's $130 profit, but still $130 for spending an hour or 30 minutes going through these coins. It's easy money, not financial advice, but I think it's easy money. You might not win over them. I did lose one trade the other day after I went through it, which was auction coin, and that I lost $8 on that. I lost $8. If I would have won it, I would have won hundreds, or maybe depending on how much I ran, it could be more than hundreds. But that's what's going on. If I do put money into them, I'm putting $100 in on 5 or 10x leverage and a stop loss within 5% of price action. That way, if you lose money, you put $100 in, you lose $50 at most. And if you win the trade, you win hundreds, or possibly more if it really goes parabolic. But again, I just keep my stop loss right below the 200-day smooth moving average, and very few of them I would have a take profit on. Like coins like XRP that are known to be a pump and dump, those are ones I'd have a take profit on. But if it's just an altcoin or a meme coin that's going to run, and you look at the chart, it's not a pump and dump, it's a strong uptrend, strong downtrend, those are ones that I would just leave my stop loss below the 200-day smooth moving average and let it run. So that's all I got. And yeah. With that being said, thanks guys for stopping by. And until next time, this was a shorter video. It was 10 minutes shorter, and we got probably even more coins that are going to be bullish. So there you go. Until next time, I'll be live tonight at 11 p.m. Central Time, by the way. All right, I'll see you guys tonight for the live stream, 11 p.m. Central Time. It should be awesome. I believe Bitcoin's going to be above 87,000 by then, or probably even above 88 at the rate we're going. It's at 87.3 right now. I think it just made another new all-time high. It's a fun day for me. I could make over $1,000 today in a very small account. My account's only $2,000, my trading account. So we'll see what's happening. But until then, trade safe.